How the fuck have you been?
I'm good.
We haven't talked in like a month.
It's been a while since our last videos too.
Right. What the hell have you been up to?
Working.
That's it? The same shit as always?
Working and sleeping.
How about you, Craig? How you been?
Good. Video games.
Of course.
It's been boring.
Tell them where we're about to head to.
We're going to Clinton Road.
It's all the way up in North Jersey. It's gonna be a long ass ride. I also got a new car, guys. As you guys couldn't tell before, you probably can't tell right now because it's dark as shit. But I got a new truck. Got rid of the Avalon. Just really wasn't working all that well. Had a lot of miles. Didn't have heat. No AC. So and I got a 2004 Ford Escape. It's really good.
I thought you told me 2003. It's Ford?
No, 2003. Fuck.
2003.
2003. I don't know what I said before, but it's an 03. Go ahead.
Wow, this is crazy.
This is Clinton Road, everybody. And holy fucking shit, is it fucking dark.
It really is.
It's ridiculous.
What the fuck? Yo, what is that?
No!
Told you about the phone.
No!
Come on!
Zach! You forgot your keys! Zach, is pitch black! Oh my god, Zach. What do we do now?
I just fucking lost my... I don't know. What the fuck was that, Kyle? I just lost my fucking charger. The fuck, man? And who the fuck is that? Well?
Oh my god.
Who the fuck is that?
Oh my god. Oh, we're so out of breath. We just had to run down that entire road. Oh my god. Wait, Zach, there's your car.
The fuck was that, Kyle?
Here's your car.
I know it's my fucking car. What the fuck are you thinking?
Well, what's it doing here?
He fucking took it.
Did you get out?
Where the fuck is everything? He
Did
definitely
he
got
take
out.
anything?
I don't know. I don't see it. I definitely lost my charger.
Did they fall in that?
Did you really?
Yes, look. I don't have it. I lost it.
Oh, the little piece?
Yeah. I have to go to the fucking mall and get a new one now.
You left your keys in there.
Who the fuck leaves the keys in there?
You left your keys.
Well, are we gonna go back?
We're gonna go back?
Get the fucking car.
Alright, I'm going in.
Get in the car.
Oh, Zach,
What?
come out of the car. Come out of the car now. Get out of the car. Get out.
What?
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Go. Zach. Zach, hurry. Hurry. Oh. Oh, Zach.
Zach, get out!
Where's he at? Zach fell. He fell.
He's still stuck in the fence, I think.
He's stuck in the fence. Oh my god.
I don't see him, do you?
I don't see him. Oh my god.
No.
What the fuck was that?
I was so out of breath.
What was that?
Weird stuff's been going on lately. Have you been seeing my lately videos?
No, I've been fucking busy with college.
I think there's a person after me.
For what?
I don't know. Just keeps getting creepier and creepier.
So what kind of encounter is this? First one?
It's been many.
For fuck's
It's not
sake.
stopping.
How the fuck did you get in my car?
Did you leave it unlocked?
No, I went to go pick you up. Why would the guy come after me, for fuck's sake?
Then he must have been in there the whole time.
I don't know, but he stole my wallet.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Not only that, he took one of the keypads to the truck.
Alright.
The fuck? I
Won't stop.
I had $500 in that fucking wallet. Kyle,
Guys,
what
we
the
just
fuck?
came down this road. Look at this.
What?
What? What?
Oh shit.
That is crazy.
We're not going back, are we?
No.
He's following us.
How the fuck did he
He's
get
not
down that
giving
far?
up.
How the fuck did he get that far in that much time?
Go back.